Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful recipe for you that's perfect for a quick, healthy snack or a side dish for any meal. We're going to make a sweet and savory carrot salad with raisins. It's a perfect blend of flavors that you're going to love. So let's get started. Before we start, let's take a look at what we'll need. Ingredients: 4 large carrots, peeled and grated, 1/2 cup of raisins, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley, 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Let's start by preparing our carrots. Grab your carrots and peel them. Then, using a grater, grate them into a mixing bowl. Look at how vibrant and fresh these carrots are. Now let's add our sweet raisins. These are going to add a lovely, natural sweetness to our salad. Next, we're going to toss in some fresh parsley for a burst of flavor, and some chopped walnuts for a satisfying crunch. It's all about balance, folks. For the dressing, we're going to combine Greek yogurt, honey, olive oil, and a touch of lemon juice. This blend of ingredients gives our salad a creamy, tangy, and sweet dressing that pairs perfectly with the carrots and raisins. Mix everything together until it's well combined. Look at that beautiful, creamy texture. Now drizzle our creamy dressing over our carrot mixture. This is where the magic happens. As you can see, the dressing will bring all these flavors together. Don't forget to season it with salt and pepper according to your taste. A pinch of salt and a dash of pepper will enhance all the flavors. Give it all a good mix. Make sure every bit of carrot and raisin is coated with that delicious dressing. And there you have it. Our sweet and savory carrot salad with raisins is ready to be enjoyed. Just look at those colors. It's a feast for the eyes. Now let's give it a taste. That's a perfect balance of sweet and savory. The carrots are crisp, the raisins add a burst of sweetness, and the dressing ties everything together. This sweet and savory carrot salad with raisins is not only delicious, but also a great way to get some extra veggies into your diet. It's ideal for a quick snack or as a side dish for your next meal. Give it a try and let us know how you like it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.